Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to show you like slime, like how to make slime with ingredients, but first we're going to show you what our faces looks like so it's not kind of weird showing us. So here's my face. Okay, so here's
No, I don't want you to see me. I look bad today.
That's our face. We usually look better, but it's Thanksgiving, it's family, so happy Thanksgiving, people. So here we go. So first what we're going to do is we're going to water our sink down, and yes, we're in the bathroom, so it's kind of weird. Then I think I'm going to add like one pump of soap, or how many do you think? 2? Okay. Okay, and then I have this strong volume feeling. This is what it looks like. So let's got this in there. Okay. So what should we get next? What do you think? Should we get some hairspray?
This hairspray.
Okay. So what this hairspray is fluffy, like this, and it just rises like that. So that's kind of cool. Comment down below if you ever made a slime or if you want to make slime. Okay, so now I'm going to get some body lotion. So technically body wash.
Let them see what it looks like.
Okay, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna just go in some. And if you hear some noises, that's just our brother being crazy. And if you come down here, he's just being crazy, so don't mind him. Okay.
I'm trying to get more light in here. The lighting's like really bad.
Now this is shampoo. I tried with slime with this, but it just makes it melt. I have a feeling that this is like really thick stuff. So, and it's jiggly, so.
Don't do it too much because this foam is starting to melt. So, because it's starting to melt, I'm adding.
I'm gonna add like one more thing. That's kind of, what are you doing?
Adding a little bit more.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna add one more thing, which is, it's kind of weird to have in the bathroom, but to make it smell good, it's Louise dragon fruit. So, let's spray. I'm gonna do it for like 1 second. 1, okay. So now that
It's all white, no color.
yeah. Oh, should we add toothpaste? I think I'm gonna add just a little. Like just a little.
It might make it thicker.
Okay, if I get some of my finger, it's just toothpaste.
It adds a little bit of color instead of all white.
So it might be like a tealish color. Okay, so now let's mix. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so thick. I wish you guys could feel it, like, so thick. Both hands. She might have to help me. Okay, so there's the toothpaste. Try to like mix in the toothpaste so we get the color in there.
Move your hand. This hand is in the way.
So the color's not good. Oh, there it goes. So it's not really trying anything. So
Very.
Fail. Boo. Okay, so this is easy because it's not really stuff.
We have to hurry.
So turn on the water and wash it all up.